Much of Latin America's beauty lies in the richness and diversity of its landscapes. But with such varied geography comes a challenge. Water sources can be affected by a range of pollutants. Some are natural, some are man-made, from arsenic and heavy metals to viruses and bacteria. All of these contaminants pose a serious threat to human health. Photon Water offers treatment solutions for all forms of contamination. Sorption and mechanical filtration technology can be used to eliminate individual pollutants. For more complex challenges, reverse osmosis can remove a variety of contaminants, both chemical and biological. These solutions can be used to treat water in buildings and small communities, or on a larger scale in towns and cities. Advanced treatment options such as ion exchange and Catalog's light filtration systems are also available to treat hard water and remove more resistant pollutants like arsenic. Through technology and innovation, we can provide adaptable, tailor-made solutions to ensure that water is clean and safe for everyone.